Yes, let's park right in front of my freaking driveway. I'm not ready, no. Holy sh**. 30 by 16. Don't hit my truck, please. Do I need to move? Oh, whoa. It's a beautiful, beautiful day to drop your keys. Every time. Oh man, what's going on here? No. I need to throw some oil in, old baby. Yes, let's park right in front of my freaking driveway. See, I'm not gonna lie, I park in the street all the time, but I don't park right in front of anybody else's driveway. So yeah, don't do that. I had every intention in the world of filming a video today, but I got some Smoothie King and some McDonald's, and I decided, you know what? I'm gonna take the day off, even though I'm filming right now, which completely destroys the whole point of this little clip right here. But I'm working all day long, all day, whether I'm at shows or we're filming at work or I'm actually working at work or anything. I'm always on the go all the time. I feel like I never get a break, but sometimes it's good to take a day, unwind, and work some more. I guess, because that's kind of what's happening right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna take the rest of the day off. I'm not gonna pick the camera up again. I will see you guys tomorrow when I get to work. It's that time of the week again. Time to see if that wide bow tie will start. I know you guys hate when I do this, or I've got a couple comments saying that you guys don't like when I do this, but hey, whoa. F250, power stroke, 6.7 on some 375s and 2414s. I'm not a huge fan of that wheel. 5-spoke, split spoke. Not my style, but it still looks good. But it's crazy to me how much of a difference the 375s look on that. The 375s almost look small on the F250s. But when you put them on the Silverado, I think it's got a great look to it. Bigger truck makes the tire smaller. Right? What do you think? Yes? I would think so. I think even the 375s for the 24, which is a little bit bigger, looks smaller on this truck than it would on this truck. I don't know, let me know. But we're about to, uh-oh, okay. It's promising. Here we go. Oh! Hell yeah! I'm pretty sure we've seen that Duramax or the Denali on the channel before. That one looks really good. I like those 26-inch TIS on the Gladiators. That looks really good. But we got this F-150 out here today. Got the dual reservoir shocks, the Fox on the back. Got a nice 6-inch lift kit, run for country on this Ford. I'm really feeling the Archons with the spike lug nuts. It's got a real, ooh, kind of thick. He ain't that wide though. I'm kind of feeling that. Nice all black look. I like how the Fox, the shocks look in the back. I actually really like that. I think I might have to upgrade to the dual resis at some point, because I've got the single Fox shocks on the rear of mine. Might have to go to the dual resis. I sound kind of douchey when I say it that way, but might have to be the move. I'm pretty excited to see what's about to go down. So to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, Jake pulled up behind me one Saturday at like 12:30 and we went to go leave the shop up here, and Jake ripped a fat little burnout right here and completely destroyed his rear end. So in the pouring rain, I had to come out here and push him into this parking spot. So if you guys have paid attention in the last couple of videos, his truck's been sitting in this parking spot for about, I'd say about 2 to 3 weeks?
2 to 3 weeks. Hey, I was gonna show you something.
2 to 3 weeks?
While you're out here, you wanna see what a cold start is supposed to be like after 2 or 3 weeks?
Oh, a true cold start.
It's not supposed to die for 2 days.
Oh, wow. Yeah, honestly, you notice, hey, did you notice that I had put you in the video the other day throwing up that sign and somebody commented you were doing gang signs? Somebody thought Jake was throwing up gang signs in one of my most recent videos. But honestly, he is kind of shitting on me because my truck dies after like 2 days, and his cranked right up after like 2 weeks. So good for him, actually. What the hell is that noise? So this is what's happening right now. And yes, I'm sitting in the AC because it's hot outside. Jake and Leonard are going to pull Jake's truck. Rear end is completely destroyed. Can't even go into drive, reverse, anything. They're gonna pull his truck into the shop with the Jeep and a ratchet strap. What the hell is going on here? I don't foresee this going very well. I'm pretty excited though, to be 100% honest. Don't hit my truck, please. Do I need to move? Oh, whoa! Hell yeah. Hey, put it in reverse, back up a little bit. Hey, yeah, the drive shaft is spinning, but that's it.
How'd you figure that out?
I'm looking at it. Jackass. See, that wasn't bad. That was nowhere as near as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
137.
I'm really impressed, actually.
Doing a burnout at 6.
Really impressed. Doing a burnout at 6? Can I hold you to that?
Yeah. Spider good.
Is the big one good? That's all I care about.
No,
That's the expensive one.
That's fucking the opinion. You broke the opinion, I'm telling you. You shattered that motherfucker, leave it.
Hey. You did a good job fucking that one up. It's real crazy how life works. I literally have been thinking all day long, what video am I gonna film? What am I gonna do today? And I've got some great content today, but I'm pulling into my neighborhood. And if you guys don't know EJ from my neighborhood, he's got a blue Tahoe and he's got a couple other trucks. EJ just got a set of 30x16 cast wheels, not forged, but cast wheels. And he was telling me about it last weekend. And as I'm pulling into my neighborhood, he stops me and he goes, I got him. And I'm like, oh, word? And he's like, you wanna go see him? And I'm like, well, hell yeah. So that's where we're going. Yeah, so just like that, I get to see my first set of 30x16 cast wheels today. I mean, obviously I've seen a 30x16 before, but cast wheels, this is definitely a first. a lot of you guys have probably never seen a cast wheel before. So we're running down here. We got about 30 minutes before the place that he's got them at closes. So we're gonna run down here and take a look at some 30x16. They're extreme mutters from what I was told, but I'm pretty excited to see them regardless. Damn, you got me excited now.
Man, hey, then my homeboy is like, no, don't do 2 trucks. You're gonna hurt them too bad. So
You gonna hurt them too bad?
Hurt them too bad.
Cause you know I'm gonna have to thumbnail about the 30s, and everybody on my channel is gonna think they're mine.
Yeah.
But they're not mine, so there's gonna be some hurt feelings in the comments for this one. But
yes,
but I gotta do it to them. I have to.
Oh, 26. I'm tripping.
Gotta do it to them. Oh man, oh man. Damn, look how big that box is.
Look how big this box is.
God damn.
Ready?
I'm not ready, no. Holy shit.
Yes, sir.
30x16. Holy shit.
Yeah.
30x16 cast wheel extreme mutter.
And then, so the guy was like,
Damn, those are clean though.
They only made 4 of these rims.
They only made 4 sets?
They made an 8 lug. They made a 5 lug. They made 2 6 lugs. One like this and one all chrome. All 4 of them I bought the last pair.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's crazy. And they're going on the... I've been wondering where the blue truck was at.
The non's not even going on that truck.
Oh, it's going on this truck?
No, it's going on a 2010 Tahoe.
Oh.
Upgraded.
Damn, you really gonna be shitting on them then.
Yeah. 2010 Tahoe.
Damn.
615s.
Damn, I fuck with that. That's gonna look. Damn, what size? You gotta be putting 40s or something on it then, right?
They only make one size tire for 30s. This big. That's a 37. Well, that from what I know.
I think you can get 40s or 42s. I'm pretty sure. I think Fury makes one.
Okay. I'm gonna check that out. Fury.
Just in time too, before it gets dark. How big that damn thing is. Yeah, you're gonna have to come see me at the shop. I do all that stuff.
Where your shop at?
Down in McDonough.
Oh yeah, I'm coming.
All that stuff. Yeah, I do 10-inch kits, 12-inch kits, all that, all day long.
See, the day that I'm ready to do it, when you have the tires in stock, we're gonna have to come here, and you got to put these rims on the back of your truck.
We can do that, yeah.
And then you got to take them to work. Mount them up.
Damn. Yeah, we're gonna take care of that for sure. Damn. I think that's all. I think that's all they need. Just a little sneak peek. They got to see the wheels today. That's about it. That's all they need to see. And it's not even going on that truck, which is crazy.
Right. And that's already custom.
Damn.
Look, I still got the other rims back here. The other ones. And I came in this morning. I've seen a leak. Yes, sir. And I got the tires already brand new.
Damn.
I just been stacking and chilling, man. I ain't been doing nothing. I said I had to wait on the right time to come out.
Definitely gonna be shitting on them with these.
Yes, sir.
I want you guys to know the only reason I was giving Jake so much shit about his truck is because my truck is all messed up too. So I'm in the same boat as him. Mine's actually a little bit worse. His is gonna be a lot cheaper to fix, and his is actually gonna get fixed today. His new rear end will be here for the truck today. So Jake will be back driving on the road today, and I will not be. And I was the one that had all the jokes yesterday. So I get a pass for today. But EJ is I'm quoting a 12-inch FTS lift kit today and some 40s. So those 30x16s are gonna be going on a pretty solid setup, and I'm super excited for that. So make sure you guys stay tuned, follow along on the build. I'm gonna be getting quotes for him on some lift kits and stuff like that today. I'm also trying to find another shop to be able to do my front end for me. So like, for those of you that don't know, I have all the parts here. I have the Yukon gears, I have the bearings, I have everything that I need. I've got new CV axles, inner outer tie rods. I know I say this a lot in the videos, but some of you may not have seen it. I have all the parts here for the truck. I just don't have a shop to be able to fix it yet. I'm on a waiting list for another like 2 to 3 weeks to be able to get this fixed. And I've already started contacting other shops, trying to find somebody I can trust to rebuild the front end for me. So once I can find a shop, hopefully this week potentially, that can rebuild the front end, truck will be back running on the road. And I'm just letting y'all know, once I get this truck back running, it's game over. Like I'm already pumping out videos. My content's doing good right now. I'm really working really hard for you guys. But I can tell you this, once I get the truck back on the road, it's all gas, no brakes. I'm not slowing down. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. I will see you guys next time. Like and subscribe. And as always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.